In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or break external links in PowerPoint. If you've ever pasted a chart from a spreadsheet or inserted content that points back to another file, there's a good chance your presentation contains external links. These links can be useful because they keep your slides in sync with the original source, but they can also cause issues when files move, when you need to replace a source, or when you want to freeze content so it doesn't change. Let's walk through how to manage them cleanly. Start by opening your presentation in PowerPoint. With the file open, go to the File tab, then choose Info. On the right side of that page, look for the Related Documents section. If your presentation has external links, you'll see a button labeled Edit Links to Files. Click that. If you don't see this option, PowerPoint isn't detecting any external links in the file, so you're all set and there's nothing to manage. When the Links dialog box opens, you'll see a list of all linked items along with their source paths and status. From here, you have three main actions. Choose Update Now. If you want PowerPoint to refresh the selected link with the latest data from the current source file. This is perfect when the underlying spreadsheet or document has been updated and you want your slide to reflect those changes. If the source isn't available, maybe it's been moved or you're offline, Update Now may fail, so make sure the source path is valid. Select Change Source when the original file has been moved, renamed, or you want to point the link to a different file altogether. Browse to the correct file, confirm the selection, and PowerPoint will relink the content. This is helpful when handing off a project or consolidating files into a new folder structure. Pick Break Link when you're ready to convert the linked content into static content that no longer updates. After breaking, charts and other linked objects become fixed on the slide and won't change if the original file changes. This is great for final reports or when sharing the deck externally. Just know that breaking a link is effectively permanent, so consider saving a copy of your presentation first. If you want a version, you can still update later. Once you've finished updating, changing sources, or breaking links, click Close to exit the Links dialog. Finally, save your presentation to lock in your changes. That's it. Your links are now under control.